How to change delivery address on Wayfair. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can change delivery address on Wayfair. To change your delivery address or your shipping address, follow the steps that I'll be showing you in this video. The first step is to sign in into your Wayfair account, then move to the top right corner where you can see the account option, then click on it. After clicking on it, amongst the options displayed, ensure you select My Account. So by selecting My Account, you'll be taken to the accounts page. So on this page, you can see some options such as your recent orders, your payments, gift card, communication, quotes, ways to save. And then once you can see that, move to the left side of the screen where you can see your account balance, recently viewed, account and device info, and then edit addresses. So just click on that. After clicking on the Edit Addresses tab, you'll be taken to the Manage Address book. So here you can now go ahead and effect the changes that you would like to make. So this is my delivery or shipping address. So to change this, all I need to do is to click on the pencil icon here. And then to delete it, all you need to do is to click on the trash bin here. So to change it, just click on the pencil icon and then you'll be taken to the add or edit an address, and you can just go ahead, make the necessary changes here. Then select it if it's a residential address or a business or commercial address. By selecting it, it will determine the kind of format that you'll be given. Click on save, and then just like that, your shipping or delivery address would be changed. That's it. All right, you can see it has been updated and you are good to go. So if you are wondering on how you can change your shipping address, then this is the best tutorial for you. Ensure you implement all you've learned and you would not regret it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.